Hello, my name is Deepa and today we will be discussing about Algorithmia company. This is the logo of the company. The mission of the company is Algorithmia is a machine learning model deployment and management solution that automates the ML ops for an organization. How they started. Algorithmia started out as an online marketplace for algorithms. Many of these algorithms that developers offer on the service focused on machine learning. Think face detection, sentiment analysis, etc. Today, with the boom in ML and AI, Algorithmia is now taking its next step in this direction with the launch of a new service that helps data scientists manage and deploy their machine learning models and share them with others inside their companies. The founder of Algorithmia is Diego Oppenheimer. Thank you.